Hi, my name is Alex, coach with AugustinShow.com. On every single house, the underwriter is going to require what's called a flood certification. If your house is in a certain zone, you'll be required to get certain insurance. If you're in a really bad zone, FEMA is going to make you get flood insurance. It could be like $2,800 a year, and you have to get it on top of your homeowner's insurance. So if you're in a flood zone, it's going to cost you quite a bit of money. So be wary of that. Make sure your realtor tells you. There's no way around it. There's nothing your loan officer can do. It's all up to the government, and they do these flood maps. Now, if you get in a smaller flood zone, it may only be like $1,900 a year, but it's very expensive no matter which way you look at it. Flood insurance is expensive, and it comes up with a flood certification. It's not up to your insurance agent, it's not up to me, it's not up to the underwriter. You can't talk your way out of it. It's up to the government and these websites that have uploaded flood zone maps. So if you got flood insurance, you have to have it. That's the way it goes. If you have any questions on flood insurance, give me a call and I'll explain it to you. 630-915-7550. Please subscribe.